Introduction. The main function in Python is the entry point of the program. It is the point where the execution of a Python script begins. It's not mandatory in Python, but recommended for better code organization and readability. Understanding the Python main function. The main function is executed when the script is run directly, not when it's imported as a module. The condition if name equals main checks whether the script is being run directly or it's being imported. When Python runs a script directly, the name is set as main. If the script is imported as a module, the name is set as the script's file name. Why use the Python main function? Using the main function helps to separate the procedural part of the code from the functional part, making the code cleaner and easier to understand. By defining a main function and using if name equals main, your code can be reused. The main function isn't executed when the script is imported as a module, allowing other scripts to use the functions defined in your script. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Not using a main function can lead to unorganized and difficult to read code. Always use a main function for better code readability and organization. Forgetting to include the if name equal main condition can lead to unwanted execution of your main function when the script is imported as a module. The name variable can be confusing for beginners. It's main when the script is run directly, and it's the file name when the script is imported.